Okay, today for phonics, we're going to play a game. And we're going to do a step, one way of doing it. And then if you're really good at that, we're going to step up a level as well. Okay, so you're going to need two big pieces of paper. You're going to need a little ball if you've got one. If you're not, whoop, you can use a pebble, but make sure it's a pebble you can roll. Okay, you're going to need some safety scissors. Check that the ends aren't really pointy and check a grown-up knows you've got them. And you're going to need a pen. You might need a grown-up as well to write the letters on for you. Depends how comfortable you are with doing it. They might write them on for you, or they might write them on in pencil and then you can trace over, or they might do dot-to-dot letters for you. Okay, and today we're going to work on some of the tricky letters that I know we tend to forget. The first thing we want to do is get one piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half. Okay, we're going to cut that piece of paper into 5 rectangles. Okay, doesn't matter if they're not the same size. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, the rectangles will stand up like a little tent. Makes a prism shape, okay? And you can stand them up and put them around the floor. All right, but they're not much use for a game if they haven't got anything written on them. So this is where we're going to put our sounds, our letters on. So you can write them yourself, or you can trace them, or you can get a grown-up to write them on for you. I'm going to do some of the sounds I know we sometimes find tricky to remember. Okay, you can do 2 sounds on each piece of paper, 1 on each side. So the first sound I'm going to do is the sound for flower. Remember how to catch it with your teeth? Flower. What sound is flower? Is it? I'm going to do so you can see I've gone down the flower and across the stem. So that's the first one I'm going to pick. And on the back of my flower, I'm going to do a g g g g g or gorilla. And when we do our g, we go round the girl's head and then we go down and give her a curl. So we're going to go round the girl's head and go down and give her a curl. Okay, that's going to be my first little tent prism. Oh, it's doing sliding. You got a card, that will work better. I haven't got a card. Okay, the next one I'm going to put on the long leg on this one, or Balana, or Lily. Down the long leg as the rule. Okay, and on the back, I'm going to do good. Remember which one it is? That's it. And when we write it, we go down the side, and we do Nobby and his net. But, so I've got and on that one, okay? Now I'm going to do a tricky one that I know we often get mixed up as well. Okay. Ooh, they don't like standing up, do they? Now I'm going to do a dinosaur. Okay, so I'm going to go around the dinosaur's bottom, up his back, and down to give him a foot. So I've gone round the dinosaur's bottom, up his back, and down to give him a foot. So I'm going to do the dinosaur on that one. On the other side, I'm going to do B for boot. So I'm going to do down the leg, round the laces. So we've got a B and a D. These ones are really tricky. We often get them mixed up. Okay, I'm going to put them out. Okay, then I'm going to do a nice easy curly cut, which we're good at. Okay, so I've got a curly cut for caterpillar, going around the caterpillar. And on the back, I'm going to do a for horse. So I'm going down the back of the horse and I'm jumping on. And down the back of the horse and jumping. And then I'm going to pick 2 more letters. Okay, I'm going to pick M for monkey. M for Macy's, mountain, mountain. And I'm going to pick a pirate. We go down the pirate's plait, up the pirate's plait, around his head. Remember? Down the pirate's plait, up the pirate's plait, and around his head. So, first thing we've got to do is try and remember all the sounds. And then we can take the game one step higher if you can remember them. It really doesn't matter if you can remember them straight away, because if you could, there would be no point playing the game. So, I'm going to move the screen so you can see what we're doing. All the little prisms now, okay? And I've got my stone. Now, it's really important we roll the stone, we don't throw it, okay, because we don't want to hurt anyone or break anything. So we're going to go, I can find a sound, I can find a sound, watch me, I can find a sound. We're going to roll our stone through this prism. And on this sound, the sound I have found is a, can you shout it out? For pirate. Can you think of any other words? Okay, I'm going to put it back down. You ready? I can find a sound. I can find a sound. Watch me, I can find a sound. Ready? Ooh, it's in between two sounds. Shall I pick one or shall I have another go? I think I'm having another go. Let's look. Oh, it's right up close by the laptop, and the sound nearest the laptop is this one. Can you remember what it is? Can you shout it out? It's a for horse or for hand. Okay? You've also got a for hair. See how many words you can think of. Put it back up then. Say it works better with card. I can find a sound. I can find a sound. Watch me, I can find a sound. Here we go. It's landed near this one. And this one is a do you remember? For can you remember any word? We had a silly song, didn't we, about nails and neck and nincompoops. Okay, so you can keep on playing it this way. And if you haven't got any paper, don't worry, because you can always, if you've got some chalk, write some letters on paving slabs or a wall outside, and you can have a go either throwing something at the wall and see which letters you hit, or you can roll your stone on the paving slabs and see which letters you land on. If you're a bit hot, what you could do is hang your letters on the washing line, and if you've got a water pistol, you could see if you could shoot them with the water and shout out what sounds you're shooting with the water, and you could sing, I can shoot a sound with a squirty water pistol. Okay, so that's the first step. To take it one step further, we're going to turn these sounds into words. So you need another piece of paper. We're going to fold this over. I'm going to get I want your grown-ups to write you a little tiny word at the end. And the word they're going to write at the end is og. What sounds can you hear in the word og? What can you hear first? Og. Og. What's my mouth making? Og. That's it. So I want an O. That's my first sound. And O for orange, make the circle. And then I want an og. G. G. Og. So we've got a G. Okay. So I'm going to move the screen so you can see it. So we've got a bigger prism, this word, and this time it's got og on it. What we're going to make this time, we're going to make some little words, but we're also going to make ourselves a rhyming string. Because with your other little prisms, you can slide them on the top to make some words. So we know we've got og, so all practice saying og, But if we put a l in front of it, we've made all og, log. So you've made yourself a word. Now you could pick one of your other sounds and you could hang it on, and you've made d-og, 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 dog. And you could put another of your sounds on and you've made m-og, 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 mog. And then you could have another of your sounds and you've made fog, fog. Look how many you've done. I wonder if you could write any of those down. Shall we see how many you've made? You've made fog, mog, dog, and log. That's also a rhyming string. Fog, log, dog, log. You could also put on cog. Lots of ones. Or you could turn it round and put on hog is hog. Now, if you keep all your little prison word sounds to the side, you could get your grown-ups to write another N for you. So you're chief in charge of the beginning sound and they can help you with the N sound. So my N sound this time is going to be ut, ut. What sounds do I need for ut? I need an So I'll go down and under the umbrella, make my little puddle. So I've got my and I need a t, 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 t. That's it. T. So I'm going down the tower and across the tower to make my ut. Okay, and then the game's exactly the same. Have a look and see what sounds you want to put on. So you know you've got ut at the end, and you can decide what sounds you want to put at the beginning. So you might have ut. Ut is nut, nut. You might have but, but, but. Or you could have ut, 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 put. And I've got ut, 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 hut. And again, not only have you made loads of words you could have practiced writing, you've also got a rhyming string because you've got hut, put, but, and nut. So you can have a go at making and blending some small words, have a go at practicing writing down those sounds, and also have a go at making some rhyming strings. So all you need is 2 pieces of paper, some scissors, and a pen. Enjoy playing with words. Bye.